Flooring projects tend to fall at the end of an installation schedule, and oftentimes delays caused by other trades or late deliveries can cause a snowball effect on trades later in that project. This is where flooring companies can utilize faster curing technologies or products that can be installed quicker to try and make up time. Some common challenges are simple things like manpower shortages, supply chain issues, injuries that occur on a job site, and all of these can lead to significant schedule delays as they add up throughout the project. This in turn affects the general contractor because now they're no longer able to deliver their project on time, and many contracts come with penalties for late delivery or completion in the form of liquidated damages. There are several different resin chemistries that can allow for quick return to service. Things like free radical cure, which methyl methacrylate is an example of, polyaspartics, and even catalyzed polyurethanes all can allow for very quick turnaround by minimizing the curing time between each step or for each step. This then allows you to install the entire floor within a single or sometimes a second shift, and oftentimes allows for return to service the following day. Stoneclad UF is a cementitious polyurethane that was designed specifically for the food and beverage industry. It has a high degree of texture and offers excellent resistance to organic acids and thermal shock. It can be installed in a single shift, allowing businesses to return to service the following day. Stonhard achieves faster return to service by using high-performance resin technologies that allow for multiple steps to be completed in a single day. We also install all of our floors using Stonhard certified installation teams to ensure that we never compromise on the quality of a project.